you guys have a AI content writer. Do AI content work in 2025? If yes, what's the correct approach in short?
We've done a analysis on a bigger sample.
Again, I'll put up the screenshot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can put a screenshot from a presentation. So there is literally the same amount of AI content in the top of the SERP as in the bottom of the SERP. So there is no really a correlation of you will rank lower if your content is AI. The key thing for the AI content is that it has to be useful. It has to provide the legit information that someone that is reading would say like, thank you for telling me this. That was the thing that was my pain in the ass and you just solve it. So that's the thing. Like the example I had with this scratching post in article about catnip. So I was explaining this, topical coverage on the what is catnip article, and, server found that interesting fact that is supposed to be used in the article is that if you put catnip on the scratching post for a cat will be attracted to that scratching post and it will stop scratching your furniture. And this is life-changing thing. Yeah, because...
And that's what Corey also mentioned in his podcast that I did recently. Corey said AI content is not a problem, but how you are AI content not a problem, but what are you actually telling? How that information is valuable is more important than ever.
Yeah, is it structured from general to specific? Does it flow? Does it make sense? Does it like get, let's say, more mature during the article? So you start with some basics. You get the idea. Oh, what is SEO? SEO is this. Oh, SEO has 3 pillars: on page, off page, and behavioral signals and technical. Then you got like deeper and deeper and deeper. This way you can provide a useful information.
Got it.